Team, greetings and welcome to week number 7, BUS 270. Again, welcome to week 7, BUS 270. Hey, this is Dr. Mark Lee. Hey, folks, we are almost at the base of the mountain here. So keep it up. Keep on doing great stuff. Meet the time hacks. Where you lose your points, you'll start missing your time hacks at the end. So please make your time hacks. Let's jump right into week number 7. First off, we have to read chapters 11 and 12. 11 goes over business organizations, corporations, sole proprietors, partnerships, limited liability, LLCs, limited liability corporations, etc. And so please read those 2 chapters. Then we have the week 7 discussion. As usual, the week 7 discussion, initial post is due by Thursday midnight, Pacific Standard Time. Then you have to respond to one other, either a peer or me. As you see, I respond to everyone to keep active in the discussion board. Just respond to one by Saturday midnight, Pacific Standard Time. Again, if you post, the discussion board closes on Saturday midnight, Pacific Standard Time. So if you post anything after midnight on Saturday, it simply won't count. That's the LAPU rules for the online discussion. So just keep this in mind. Okay, then we have 2 assignments, folks. The signature assignments, which is basically the assignment for the whole course. The big one's worth 300 points. What you have to do, you have to write an APA paper. It says anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 words. I'm telling you, 2,000 to 2,500 words is anywhere from a 2 to 4 page APA paper. Has to be APA. So let's discuss an APA paper real quick. An APA paper has an APA cover page. Again, I have examples of APA documents underneath the Professor Information tab, an example of an APA paper. So I'd recommend you read that. Also underneath the Professor Information tab, there's all the PowerPoints for all the chapters that we read this course. And then I have examples of the weekly assignments. So look over that example to make sure you're staying on basis there, and you're not going wrong. Okay, you have an APA cover page, so you have to set that at APA style. If not, you'll lose some points. Then you have your second page. With that, an APA paper has an running head, but only the words running head goes on the cover page. You have an introductory paragraph. How I would do it, I would say, to introduce this topic or to introduce this paper, comma, I'd have 3 to 5 sentences of what you're going to talk about. In the introductory paragraph, there's no questions asked, no APA citations or quotes. Then your second paragraph, through whatever paragraphs, second through 10 or 12, wherever it takes you to get 2 to 3 pages. An APA paragraph is anywhere from 3 to 8 sentences. Each of those paragraphs outside of the introductory paragraph and conclusionary paragraph will have an APA in-text citation. How I would do it, I'd have no quotes. If any quotes, I would just paraphrase them on my own and put the in-text citation at the end of the paragraph. That's how I would do it. Okay, then when you get down to your conclusionary paragraph in an APA paper, you'll say, in conclusion, comma, you copy and paste your 3 to 5 sentences from your introductory paragraph. And like the introductory paragraph, there's no questions asked, no citations, no quotes in the conclusionary paragraph. Then your last page will be your reference page. It's set up APA style. That means references go in alphabetic order. References are current. You have to have 7 of them. I'd use the textbook. The current APA means 2012 to 2018. I can't emphasize that. You'll lose some points if your references are not 2012 to 2018. Okay, and again, they have to be APA style. They have to be in alphabetic order on the reference page. The cover page and the reference page are not part of the 2 to 4 pages of the APA. So keep this in mind. Again, look over the example in the Professional Information tab. Again, that's worth 300 points. Then you have your 25-point one, which is the corporate responsibility. Again, that's due, like the signature assignment, that's due by Monday, 8:08 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's worth 25 points. Signature assignment worth 300. The corporate responsibility is worth 25. Again, this is not a bullet, folks. I give examples of how the paper is supposed to look. This is not a bullet. So where you lose your points at, you just put bullets down. You have to write a 1 to 2 page non-APA paper. That means you write anywhere from 1 to 3, maybe 5 paragraphs of 3 to 8 sentences. That's how I would do it. Okay? Again, if you put bullets, you'll lose some. Again, that's worth 25 points. Hey, folks, this wraps up week number 7. If you have any questions about an APA paper or whatever, call me, text me, email me. Again, the easiest way to do it is to call me or text me. Let me know who you are and what you're asking about and what course you're in. Hey, folks, with that said, hey, this is Dr. Mark Lee. I wish you Godspeed, good luck, God bless, and I'll talk to you for week number 8. Goodbye.